Hello everyone, and welcome back to Untold Pain Stories, the channel where you improve your English through emotional, inspiring and unforgettable stories. Today we are going to listen to the incredible journey of a man who wanted to change the future of humanity. A person who faced criticism, failures and many difficult moments, but continued following his dreams. This is the story of Elon Musk, a man known for technology, electric cars, rockets, and his vision of the future. His story is not only about success. It is about curiosity, hard work, taking risks, learning from failure, and believing in an idea when other people think it is impossible. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing English learning stories. Now, let's begin. Millions of people around the world know the name Elon Musk. Some people know him as the person who helped change the electric car industry. Some know him as the founder of a company that builds rockets and dreams of exploring space. Others know him as one of the most ambitious entrepreneurs of modern times. But before the success, before the fame, and before the world watched his every move, Elon Musk was just a young boy with a big imagination. A boy who loved learning. A boy who asked many questions. A boy who believed that the future could be different. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. From a very young age, Elon was different from other children. He was extremely curious about the world around him. He wanted to know why things worked the way they did. While many children were spending time playing, Elon was often reading books and thinking about science, technology and inventions. Books became a very important part of his life. He especially loved science fiction stories because they showed him ideas about space, technology, and a future that looked impossible. Those stories created a dream inside his mind, a dream that humans could achieve things beyond their limits. But his childhood was not always easy. Elon was a quiet child and often spent a lot of time alone. He sometimes found it difficult to connect with other children. Instead of letting that stop him, he used his time to learn and explore new ideas. He became interested in computers when he was only a child. At that time, computers were very different from today. They were expensive and not available to everyone. But Elon was fascinated by them. He wanted to understand how they worked. At the age of 10, he started learning programming. He taught himself how to create software and later created a simple computer game as a teenager. This showed something important about him. He was not only dreaming about the future, he was trying to create it. As he grew older, Elon continued learning. He moved to Canada and later went to the United States for higher education. He studied physics and economics because he wanted to understand both science and business. But inside his mind, he had bigger goals. He did not want a normal career. He wanted to work on problems that could change the world. In the late 1990s, Elon started his first company called Zip2. The idea was to help businesses create online guides. At that time, the internet was still new, and many people did not understand how powerful it could become. But Elon believed the internet would completely change human life. He worked extremely hard. He spent long hours building the company and solving problems. Eventually, Zip too became successful. This gave Elon the opportunity to create even bigger ideas. Later, he became involved in online payments and helped create a company that became part of PayPal. Many people would have stopped after achieving this level of success. But Elon was not interested in simply becoming rich. He wanted to solve bigger problems. He started thinking about space. He started thinking about energy. He started thinking about the future of humanity. In 2002, Elon created SpaceX. His dream was huge. He wanted to make space travel cheaper and eventually help humans travel beyond Earth. Many people thought this idea was unrealistic. They believed rockets were too complicated and only governments could handle space missions. But Elon believed differently. He believed that with enough learning and effort, new possibilities could be created. However, the beginning of SpaceX was extremely difficult. The company faced many failures. The first rocket launches did not succeed. Millions of dollars were lost. People started criticizing Elon and saying his dream would never happen. Imagine working on something you deeply believe in, investing everything you have, and watching it fail again and again. Many people would give up, but Elon continued. He believed failure was not the end. He believed failure was a lesson. Every mistake showed him what needed to be improved. Finally, SpaceX achieved success. The company successfully launched rockets and proved that private companies could do things many people thought were impossible. This became one of the biggest achievements in modern technology. But Elon was still not finished. Another dream was waiting: electric cars. At that time, many people believed electric cars could never replace traditional vehicles. They thought they were too expensive and not practical. But Elon saw a different future. He believed the world needed cleaner transportation. He joined Tesla and helped transform the company into one of the most famous electric car companies in the world. But the journey was not easy. Tesla faced many problems. There were production challenges. There were financial difficulties. There were people who doubted the company would survive. Again, Elon faced moments where giving up would have been easier. But he continued. His goal was not only to build cars. His goal was to change how people think about transportation and energy. Over time, Tesla became a symbol of innovation. It showed the world that electric vehicles could be modern, powerful, and successful. Elon Musk's journey teaches us many important lessons. The first lesson is curiosity. From childhood, Elon always wanted to learn. He asked questions. He explored ideas. He searched for answers. Curiosity helped him discover opportunities that others ignored. The second lesson is believing in your vision. Many people laughed at his ideas. Many people said his goals were impossible. But Elon continued because he believed in his mission. Sometimes, the biggest achievements begin with an idea that only one person believes in. The third lesson is learning from failure. Failure is a part of every successful journey. People often see success at the end. They see the achievements. They see the results. But they do not see the struggles behind them. They do not see the mistakes. They do not see the difficult nights. They do not see the moments of doubt. Elon Musk's story reminds us that success is built through patience and persistence. A person does not become successful in one day. Success comes from thousands of small efforts. Every lesson learned, every problem solved, every time you choose to continue. Today, Elon Musk continues working on new technologies and ideas. His journey has influenced conversations about space, transportation, and the future of technology. People may have different opinions about him, but his story shows the power of ambition and imagination. A young boy who loved computers became a person working on ideas that once seemed impossible. His life proves that big changes often begin with a simple dream. A dream that seems too big. An idea that others do not understand. A goal that requires courage. Before the world knew his name, Elon Musk was just a curious child trying to understand computers. Before people celebrated his success, he was someone facing challenges and failures. But he continued, and that is why his story became inspiring. The story of Elon Musk teaches us that success is not about never failing. Success is about standing up after failure. It is about learning. It is about improving. It is about believing that something better is possible. Because sometimes, the people who imagine a different future are the ones who create it. Thank you for listening to Untold Pain Stories. If you enjoyed this English learning story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. See you in the next story.